Hello, fellow gardeners. Well, we're down here in the greenhouse. This is early part of June. We've had some cloudy weather, cold weather, cloudy weather, you know, this spring. And what I'm going to show you about these tomatoes, we come in here and we grew a crop of lettuce in these buckets back in early spring, when it was still kind of freezing, and we made some videos of this lettuce and everything. And then as we pull that lettuce, we put 2 tomato plants in each bucket or tub, and these were set up, you know, just with the same fertilizer we recommend on that sheet and everything. But I want to show you what cloudy weather does for you on tomatoes. Tomatoes like lots of sunshine and warm weather. They don't like hot weather, but they do like warm weather, and they like sunshine. We've had lots of cloudy weather, and I want you to look at these tomato plants have come up through here all the way. There is the first blooms I have on this tomato plant right here. Because it was so cloudy, I can show you one. Here's one that's got a hand on it, but look here, they all fell off. They didn't pollinate. I might get 1 tomato out of that, and I might not. Yeah, look like I'm gonna get 2 tomatoes on that hand. I should have had 5, 6 of them on there. These are big tomatoes. These are not the cherries. Same way over here. Look here. Now these are a little more bushy because it's a different variety. I don't see the tag to know what variety that David put in here, but we did set a few tomatoes down early, I see, just 1 or 2 per hand. And that's the same way here. Here's 2 on this one's all it pollinated. There's 2 on that one. And a lot of times, see, you'll go for, 2 feet and you won't get a bloom on there because it's cloudy weather. So the weather has a lot to do with how many tomatoes you get. Now, this is not going to be a good year for us on these because it's going to turn off hot, and first thing you know, it'll be above 94 degrees, and then they won't set tomatoes. They'll bloom, but they'll drop off. So cold weather's not good on them, cloudy weather's not good on them, and hot weather's not good on them. So I just wanted to kind of show you now what we've done. We've come in and tied these strings at the bottom and wrapped them around and hung them up here, and we hopefully here in the next few days, it's cloudy right now while we're making this video, trying to rain a little bit. And that's just, rain is good on plants, don't get me wrong, but when you have cloudy every day, it is detrimental to tomatoes. And we can see that in this evidence right here. We'll try to put some pictures on of previous years showing you what the blooms looked like on those when it was ideal weather conditions back there a couple of years ago. And we'll do that for you, but I just wanted you to see now we've stopped putting on the 10-4-3 and started putting on the 8-34-23 for more fruit, and we'll see what happens in the next couple 3 weeks. So you can see this house is all the way down. There's lettuce down there we still haven't picked. We've put tomatoes in those tubs with that lettuce, and this is where we picked the lettuce first, so that's the reason these are the larger tomato plants. And we'll keep you informed how this goes on. We'll be back in 2 or 3, 4 weeks or so and show you a different video of it and see if they've improved any. So anyway, just wanted to kind of show you what we're doing this year here in the house. That we've got shade cloth on it. We didn't ever put any plastic on this house because we started with lettuce and stuff like that. And then we put those tomato plants in as it warmed up. So we didn't need any plastic. But all right, if you like this video, punch the button, ring the bell, subscribe, and we'll make you another video.